Okay, so if you're on the target complex level and you need a little bit of help, I'm going to go through these questions one at a time. So if you don't need one of the questions, just fast forward to what you do need, okay? So the very first one, we're going to distribute. And let's see if I can zoom in a little. Okay. And we're going to get 12 equals positive 24x. Negative times a negative. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. I'm going to subtract 12. So 24x equals 0. Divide by 24. X is still equal to 0. Okay. Number 2. We got a fraction, that's okay. We are going to multiply what's half of 4, which would be 2x, and half of 8 is negative 4, equals, we can combine like terms right here. 10 minus 6 is 4 minus 2x. So I'm going to add 2x to the other side. And I get 4x minus 4 equals 4. Add 4. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4. X equals 2. X equals 2. X equals 0. Okay. Number 3. Like terms again. 2x minus 3 equals 6x minus 12 minus 4x. Okay, we got family members over here. We got to put those together. They're already on the same side. 2x minus 3 equals 6. Take away 4 is 2x minus 12. Now, when I move this 2x over, they cancel here and they cancel here. So we got to bring down what we still have. Negative 3, is that equal to negative 12? Nope. So what do we write here? We write no solution. Make sure you know this. Okay. Next one. It's getting bigger. Negative 5, positive 25x, negative 40x, and negative 10. And I can't do, these are family members on the same side, so I can, oops. It should be a positive 12. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, we got negative 5 and negative 10, which is negative 15. 25x minus 40 is negative 15x equals negative 12x. Now I got to bring the 15 to the 12. So negative 15 equals 3x. Divide by 3. X equals negative 5. Okay. So that takes care of the first page of your sheet. If you need help with the second page. Okay. We have to determine the rate of change from a table, points, situations, graphs, equations. Okay. So looking at the first one, I'm going to count from left to right. I'm going down 2 over 2 to get there. Down 2 over 2. When I divide those, I get negative 1. Okay. Start from left to right. This time I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4 and over 1 to get to this point. So 4 over 1, which is just 4. Okay. Find the rate of change from all these different situations. Well, the rate of change, remember, y equals mx plus b. So the rate of change is m, so that would be negative 5 over 2. So the rate of change here is negative 5 over 2. Okay, what we need to do is make a table. So we make a table negative 4 and 7, negative 6, negative 4. So we have to think, how do we get from positive 7 down to negative 4? We subtract 11. Okay, and same thing over here. We subtract 2 more. This is negative 11 over negative 2, or 11 over 2. Okay. This one is going up by 5. And this one here is going down by 4. So this is negative 5 over 4. Okay. Jimmy is riding his skateboard to soccer practice at a rate of 8 miles per hour. Describe the rate of change using words. Well, first off, here is my rate of change. How can I say Jimmy is riding his skateboard to soccer practice at a rate of 8 miles per hour? So 8 miles in 1 hour. Oops, 1 hour. The Smiths are going on a vacation. They drove 120 miles in 2 hours. 120 miles in 2 hours, which is 60 miles per hour. Oh, I did it again. Okay, number 9. Analyze the graph and describe the rate of change in context. Okay, well, let's find the rate of change first. We got 6, and we're going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2, oh, can't go anymore. Okay, so 2 over 1 is my rate of change. So this means $2 in the piggy bank in 1 week. Okay, this time we have to write an equation, so not just the slope or the rate of change, we need to do the whole thing. So y equals something x plus something, mx plus b. Rate of change, we're going down and over. We're going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5 over 4. And my y-intercept is where I cross the y-axis, and that is negative 1. If you need to, you can use this table for points. So the very first point was 0, negative 1. And this point way up here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4 and 4. So you can tell just by looking at this. This goes up 5. And this goes down 4. So that's where we got the negative 5 over 4. And you can see the y-intercept on the table, negative 1. Okay. We're going to make a table our own this time. Okay. So we're going to make x and y. We're going to need both of those points right there. The first one is negative 2, 1. And the second one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Negative 3, negative 3. So this one is going down by 1, and this one is going down by 4. So this is 4 over 1 x. And the problem is we don't have the 0, and we can't tell where it crosses the y-axis. So we can take these points and we can keep going with the pattern. So if we know that this was negative 3, and then we added 4, so this was 1, adding 4 more would be 5, and adding 4 more would be 9, so this is plus 9, because it's the number with the 0. Okay. So now we have to write an equation given the table. Okay, so same thing, y equals something x plus something. That's what we're doing. Okay, so we notice that this goes up by 2, and this goes down by 2. So this is negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1x. Okay, and we need the 0. So if I go back up to 0, because this is 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, that means I got to add 2, and I will get 7. So negative 1x plus 7. Okay, write an equation if the slope is negative 5. So m equals negative 5, and we got the ordered pair x and y. So this is y equals mx plus b. Negative 7 is my y. M is negative 5 times 2 plus b. Okay. So we multiply, negative 7 equals negative 10 plus b. Add the 10. B equals 3. So my equation is y equals negative 5x plus 3. Write an equation given the 2 pair of points. We're going to make a table. Okay, this goes up by 2. This goes up by 4. 2 over 4 is 1/2. Okay, we can keep going with this table. 8, 4, 0, 7, 9, 7, and 5. So it's y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Okay. Jackie received an iTunes gift card for $100 for her birthday. The cost to download a song is $1.25 per download. Okay, so this means that she started with 100. That's my B. And this is how much she had to pay for every song she wanted to download. That's my M. That's my rate of change. So my equation is 125x plus 100. But it's negative, because I need to make sure I'm subtracting $1.25 because I'm buying a song every time and I'm losing money on my gift card. Okay, how much would she have left on her gift card if she had to download 15 songs? Okay, so we can do a couple things. We can make a chart, or we can make ourselves a table and keep subtracting 15 every time. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take $1.25 and I'm going to multiply it by 15 and see how much money I'm really going to spend. So multiply. I get negative 18.75. That's how much money it's going to cost me off the card. And if I subtract it from 100, it's y equals $81.25. That's how much I have left. Okay. Compare rates of change in y-intercept. Okay, so when I look at the first question, I'm comparing the rate of change of this equation. The rate of change of f is 3. And we have to figure out the rate of change of this table. So I can tell that this goes up by 2, and this goes up by 1. So the rate of change is 2 over 1, or just 2. I can tell that F has a steeper rate of change because it's bigger. Okay, find and compare y-intercepts for the linear functions. Okay, let's look at the y-intercepts. Here's one. So the y-intercept of f is negative 2.